Hello, my name is Joshua Vinnick, and this is a proposal for an application called Easy Itinerary. As the name suggests, this app is a travel planner based on simplicity, comfort, and usability, and includes a long list of well-loved features like saved users, customizability, and more. We'll start with a small overview of what we're going to discuss, which, like with any great product, begins with the problem. We'll then go over the solution I've come up with, look more at the execution and photos, and finally end with a video walkthrough of the prototype. So what is the problem? The problem is that travel is already stressful enough with all the packing, the flights, and the bookings, but there isn't a stress-free itinerary planner option on the market today. After researching and going hands-on with as many other travel planning apps as I could, I can confidently say that all of them are much more hassle than it's worth. That's where Easy Itinerary comes into play. I set out to design an app for avid travelers who want a simple way of organizing their trips. My requirements for it were that it must be easy to use, nice to look at, and shareable. To allow for fast learning and ease of use, I studied other apps that I use daily and took notes on which features provided a fluid experience and which I got held up on. I then implemented all these ideas into a prototype, and I took it for some user testing. After reviewing the results of the user tests and revising the prototype based on them, I started working on the next requirement, it being nice to look at. I started with a simple blue, gray, and white color scheme and used rounded corners to create a soothing and inviting environment. To make it a bit less flat, but keep the simple theme, I added some light shadows and gradients, and then added images to represent the customizability options. If you would like to review the full prototype, please feel free to scan the QR code with your phone or tablet. You will be able to tap around the app in your browser window to get a real sense of how it works. Thank you for listening to my proposal, and I hope you had a good trip.